Hi guys, I got the new toy, so we're going to unbox it. It's a gorilla. Let's do it. First, here's it. Oops. Okay. This is the toy. It comes with two weapons, a sword and a gun. Okay. It can also transform. Wait.
Mas muna kayo dyan, guys. Sana. Nag-spray ako dyan.
Done. Look. The weapons. Wait, guys.
Sino yung kamukha ni Bubuyog?
Sa'yo rin.
Kuya. Tara mo.
What's this?
Kuya, tignan mo. Ay, ate.
Walang pa yan. Dapat kasi hindi
Is
ako
the robot
nag-inupit.
Malapit mo.
Lito.
Ay, dalawang ano to? Dalawa dito, Mike.
Dalaman.
Dalawa. Ay, ano?
Ay,
Yung tawag dito.
Ano?
Yung... Ay, guys, sa box mo.
Dalawang box.
Oo, dalawang ganyan.
Look.
Palagay mo?
Yung sa tolya, siguro
That's it,
isa
guys.
lang.
Bye.
Pero kung isasama pa yung iba,
And by the way,
Lahat
like and
oh,
subscribe.
ma.